think we got one. Yes, we got one. It's coming in.
Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Just leave the net one place. He's coming, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's coming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love the sound of this, buddy. I just break in my new reel. First fish with this big reel. Oh yeah, come on. He's close. He's close. Come on now. Oh, it's good size, but oh yeah, it's good size.
There he is.
Oh, he's not ready. Leave it one place. Raise the net a little so I can see it. Oh yeah. Come. Yo. Right. Pick it up. That's it. Oh, he's big. Oh yeah. Hey buddy, what I told you. All right. Don't go too far. No, don't go too far. Right there. Let me go into it. Oh, that's a good size one. Oh.
Good catch, man.
Yeah, that's 4 to 5 pounds. I'll find out. Look, my long nose, my long plier. Where's the weight on it? Can you see it? It's on this side, the number. So rusted.
7 pounds.
No, 7 is right here. 6 is there. So it's 5.5. 5.5. Not bad. Whoa. To start the season, 5.5. Okay, you have it covered?
No.
No cover, that's what happened.